Today we are going to see how the flowers bloom in the water. There are little holes inside the flowers that pulls the water inside it, then it blooms like a real flower. This is called capillary action. For blooming flowers, we need a bowl, a cap, a color pencils, scissors, and a paper. First, we will draw the shape of the bowl. Now we need to put the cap in the middle and draw the cap shape as well. We are doing the petals. Let's do some coloring now. I have done coloring, so let's do cutting. The flowers are ready. We just have to write Happy Birthday Shrestha. I am writing that, but you can write anything else. Petals one by one, and let's start with happy. Remember to put the flowers in order after folding them. Now we have to pour the water in the plate. Now we put them in order, so one by one we have to collect them and throw it in the water. Wow, isn't it so beautiful?
Beautiful.
Now let's put another one. Now another one. Isn't it so magic? Now the smiley one. Let's turn this one. did, you can give this surprise to your family or friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.